Every cup of instant coffee begins with carefully harvested coffee cherries. Freshly picked cherries are gathered and prepared for their journey to processing. Speed is crucial to preserve the flavor locked inside every cherry. Within hours, the harvest must reach the processing plant. The journey from farm to factory is only the beginning. Here, the cherries enter the industrial processing chain. Gravity feeds the harvest into the factory's first system. The cherries move steadily toward their first stage of cleaning. Water and motion begin removing dirt from the fresh harvest. And the transformation from fruit to coffee begins. After washing, the cherries move deeper into the factory's controlled environment. Vibration separates unwanted debris from the harvest. High-speed air removes the final traces of field debris. Uniform size ensures consistent processing ahead. Human eyes provide the final quality check. From here, the fruit is lifted toward the pulping stage. The first transformation begins inside the pulping system. Inside the machine, fruit gives way to raw coffee beans. Water carries the beans forward for the next crucial stage. Here, controlled fermentation prepares the beans for drying. Controlled fermentation breaks down the last layers surrounding the beans. Once fermentation completes, the beans move toward drying. Heat and airflow gradually remove moisture from the beans. Precise drying stabilizes the beans for roasting. Every batch is measured to meet exact moisture standards. The beans rest briefly before entering the roasting line. From storage, the beans move toward the heart of coffee production. Roasting unlocks the deep aroma hidden within every bean. Rapid cooling locks in the flavor of freshly roasted coffee. Roasted beans now move toward industrial grinding. Heavy-duty grinders transform beans into aromatic grounds. Ground coffee is prepared for the extraction process. Hot water extracts the soluble essence of coffee. Under controlled pressure, the coffee essence is drawn out. Filtration purifies the liquid coffee concentrate. Evaporation concentrates the powerful flavor. The concentrated liquid now moves toward instant transformation. Atomization turns liquid coffee into microscopic droplets. And the liquid extract becomes instant coffee powder. Fresh powder moves to the finishing stage where granules are formed. Steam gently binds the powder into dissolvable granules. Controlled drying stabilizes the structure of the coffee granules. Cooling preserves aroma and prepares the coffee for grating. Only perfectly sized granules move forward. Only perfectly sized granules move forward. Now the instant coffee takes its final form. Large silos hold the finished granules before packaging. Before packaging, every batch undergoes strict inspection. Quality control begins with precise sampling. Inside the quality lab, every batch undergoes precise analysis. Inside the quality lab, every batch undergoes precise analysis. Moisture levels are measured to guarantee shelf stability. Granule size determines how quickly coffee dissolves. Even aroma is carefully evaluated by trained specialists. Perfect instant coffee must dissolve smoothly in seconds. Flavor consistency is verified through careful tasting. Strict hygiene testing ensures complete product safety. Data confirms the batch meets every standard. Once approved, the coffee moves to packaging. Now the finished coffee is ready for its final stage. Approved coffee now enters the automated packaging system. Precision fillers deliver the exact amount into every jar. Each container is sealed to preserve freshness. Labels and codes ensure full traceability of every batch. Automation groups the finished jars for shipment. Layer by layer, pallets are prepared for distribution. Finished products are stored in climate-controlled warehouses. Orders are prepared for delivery across the world. From beans to granules, the journey is complete. And this is how modern factories produce instant coffee from start to finish. Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.